Does Setmore accept payments? It's a question that pops into the minds of countless small business owners, freelancers, and service providers when they're scouting for the perfect online scheduling tool. You're likely here because you've heard about Setmore's fantastic free plan, its intuitive interface, or perhaps its robust feature set designed to simplify your day-to-day operations. But let's be honest, in today's digital economy, simply booking appointments isn't enough. You need a system that integrates seamlessly with your financial workflows, allowing clients to pay for services at the time of booking or during their appointment. Without that capability, you're looking at a fragmented process. One system for scheduling, another for invoicing, and perhaps yet another for payment processing. That's a recipe for administrative headaches, missed payments, and a less than stellar client experience. Think about it from your client's perspective. They've found your service, they're excited to book, and they're ready to commit. What's the most convenient way for them to do that? Often, it's by paying upfront, securing their spot, and eliminating the need for a separate transaction later. This not only streamlines their experience, but also significantly reduces no-shows and last-minute cancellations for you. For businesses that require deposits or full payment in advance, like consultants, personal trainers, or event planners, an integrated payment solution is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. It ensures commitment, manages your cash flow more effectively, and gives you peace of mind that your time is valued and compensated. So, back to the big question. Does Setmore accept payments? The short answer is a resounding yes. Setmore understands the critical role that integrated payments play in modern business operations. They've built robust payment processing capabilities directly into their platform, transforming it from just a scheduling tool into a powerful, all-in-one solution for managing your appointments and your finances. This isn't just about adding a payment button. It's about creating a holistic ecosystem where your booking calendar, client management, and financial transactions are all harmonized. Now, let's dive into the specifics of how Setmore handles payments and the various options available to you. Setmore integrates with some of the most popular and trusted payment gateways in the world, ensuring secure and reliable transactions for both you and your clients. The primary integrations you'll find are with Stripe and Square. These are not arbitrary choices. Stripe and Square are industry leaders known for their ease of use, strong security measures, and ability to process a wide range of credit and debit cards. This means your clients can pay using their preferred card, offering maximum convenience. The beauty of these integrations lies in their simplicity. Once you connect your Stripe or Square account to your Setmore account, the payment options become seamlessly available to your clients when they book an appointment through your online booking page. You have the flexibility to decide whether payment is required at the time of booking, or if it's an optional choice. For instance, you can set up your services so that clients can either pay upfront or choose to pay in person. This flexibility allows you to tailor your payment strategy to the specific needs of your business and your clientele. But Setmore's payment capabilities extend beyond just upfront online payments. Imagine a scenario where a client arrives for their appointment, and they haven't paid yet. With Setmore, you can process payments directly from your calendar within the Setmore app, whether you're using the desktop version or the mobile app. This is incredibly convenient for businesses that prefer to collect payment after a service is rendered, or those that accept walk-in appointments. This pay-in-person option within the app means you don't need to switch between different applications or devices to complete the transaction. Everything you need is right there, within your Setmore dashboard, streamlining the checkout process and enhancing the client experience. Furthermore, Setmore also allows for the acceptance of partial payments or deposits. This is a game-changer for businesses that deal with high-value services or custom projects where a full upfront payment might be a barrier for some clients. By allowing clients to pay a deposit to secure their booking, you still get a commitment from them while offering them financial flexibility. You can then collect the remaining balance at the time of the service. This feature significantly broadens your appeal to a wider client base and can help convert more leads into confirmed bookings. Another critical aspect of Setmore's payment integration is its robust reporting. It's not enough to just collect payments. You need to be able to track them, reconcile them, and understand your financial performance. Setmore provides detailed payment reports that give you insights into your earnings, transaction history, and payment statuses. This information is invaluable for bookkeeping, tax purposes, and for understanding your business's financial health. You can easily view which appointments have been paid for, which are pending, and which require payment in person. This level of transparency and data at your fingertips empowers you to make informed business decisions. Security is, of course, paramount when it comes to financial transactions. Rest assured, Setmore leverages the inherent security features of Stripe and Square. These platforms are built with advanced encryption and fraud detection technologies, ensuring that both your business and your client's financial information are protected. Setmore itself does not store sensitive credit card information. Rather, it securely passes the transaction details to your chosen payment gateway, which then handles the processing. This layered approach to security provides peace of mind for everyone involved. In essence, Setmore's approach to payments is about more than just functionality. It's about creating a seamless and secure financial ecosystem for your business. It's about empowering you to manage your appointments and your income from a single, intuitive platform. Whether you're a solopreneur just starting out or a growing small business with multiple staff members, the ability to accept payments directly through your scheduling tool simplifies your administrative tasks, reduces errors, improves cash flow, and ultimately, frees up more of your time to focus on what you do best, serving your clients. So, if you were wondering if Setmore accepts payments, the answer is not only yes, but it does so in a comprehensive, flexible, and secure manner designed to meet the diverse needs of modern businesses. It's a feature that elevates Setmore from a simple booking tool to an indispensable business management companion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.